Unmanned Traffic Management, or UTM, is a critical enabler for the future airspace. As the industry begins to operationalize UTM, it must be done safely. We believe that simulation-driven validation and verification is critical to the safe deployment of UTM. Safety assurance is also critical to accelerating the necessary and scalable deployment of UTM. At Airbus UTM, our approach to accomplishing this is to offer simulation as a service. We have opened our simulation environment to authorities and industry partners. With real-time simulations of, for example, active deconfliction, we are able to illustrate the fundamental building blocks necessary to ensure vehicle flights are safely planned. With fast-time simulations of elements such as deconfliction for complex operations and in high-density traffic areas, we are able to rapidly illustrate and analyze potential issues and outcomes. As the airspace of today and the future becomes increasingly complex, with more vehicle types and mission profiles, our work at Airbus UTM is vital to ensuring our industry maintains and improves upon its rigorous safety standards. Simulation as a service is an essential route to building safe, integrated future skies.